Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a nice move. Now, I get it, yeah, from the highs, there was a pretty big pullback, but still, where the price closed compared to where it was just yesterday on Tuesday, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely did overall make a good solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? That's the worst question mark I've ever seen. There we go. Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.25. Why is $2.25 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 225. Any sort of closes below there or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying again that progress point as $2.25. As far as areas of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, right now the chart is kind of sketchy because that has been a pretty big pullback right now. So in my mind, at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance or anything like that. It's making sure that this current pretty deep pullback doesn't spin out of control and turn into a reversal. And once more, how would I define a reversal? Well, that's where we'll circle back to that $2.25 mark. If the price breaks below there and continues on down, well, that would be full-blown reversal at that point in time. So again, focus on the levels of support right now, and let's see if this thing can chip away and build a higher base. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.